Hey everybody, it's Ryan. If you're looking for a spark plug remover set that has the ability to get around those hard turns, this video is for you. So what I have here is a set of spark plug sockets. And the cool thing about these is that they have this, this joint that allows you to kind of get into those hard to reach spaces when you don't have a direct, let's just say 90-degree angle, and you want to be able to use something that's more at this angle. Here's all that comes with it. So it does come with a hard travel case for storage. It does not come with this. It's just this right here. The sizes are 5/8, 9/16, 5/8 that already has the extension already connected to it. So this is like all one piece. Then you have a 16mm, a 5/8 with a short arm already attached to it, and then a 14mm. And these are strategically made so the spark plug will fit down in there. So the spark plug shaft goes all the way down in there, and then it's set to grip it right there. These are made of, I'd say, a high gauge stainless steel. This is like a, on these particular ones that have this black fitting, I guess it's for a grip. So if you need to, grip something easily, especially if there's any oil, this definitely helps because gloves or not, you could actually grab it and give it a little initial twist. So when you put it on there, you can kind of manually twist it until you need to use the actual wrench. So if you have an extension, that's cool, and you could attach it and then you're good to go. Or like in this example, this piece automatically replaces this extension if you don't have that. So here we have the motor, and the spark plug is angled at a position where it might be kind of tough. So I can take my spark plug remover, find the spark plug, slide it all the way around, and now I'm on it. And so I have some play here, but I'm still attached. And so if it would be hard to get in here at a 90-degree, I get some torque in there and get this all nice and loosened. Then if I want, I can take this off, manually twist it. And because this has a long shaft, the spark plug sits in there, it's a little harder to fall out. And this is magnetized. So that's even better. So the inside of this has a magnet, it's grabbing that. So if you're in one of those hard to reach places and it's like this, it's not gonna fall out. And it's magnetized, which is an extra plus just to prevent it from slipping out like a normal socket. Now, full disclosure, this company sent this to me and said, Ryan, can you give us an honest review about this spark plug remover set? Some call outs as mentioned, magnetized, a variety of different sizes, grip here, and high-end stainless steel. So it's definitely built to last. Hopefully all your questions got answered, and we'll tie you soon.